Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so there is another possible future spoiler coming to BoxyCharm, and I found this on Instagram at Boxy Preview. Isabel found this actually on BoxyCharm's homepage, and you know they was trying to slip something in past somebody, and she actually found it. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing more possible future BoxyCharm spoilers. Well, thank you so much, Brittany May. Brittany says, first comment. Yeah, Brittany, honey, you got it. And I really appreciate you having your bell on, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first of all, the next Boxy pop-up date is up. It is Monday, August the 10th. You want to mark that in your calendar. That is for early access. Then all access will be open Tuesday, August 11th. Now guys, let's go ahead and look at this possible future spoiler. So again, Isabel found this. Now she has got an Instagram page. It is Boxy Preview if you want to go check her out. Now she found this on BoxyCharm's home page, and they usually have items that we've already seen in our boxes or we already know that's coming, but this one product stuck out. So this is the one item that we haven't seen in boxes, so it could be a possible future spoiler. This is the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub. We've seen every one of those items in past boxes except for that one. So I think Isabel's onto something here, guys. So let me know what you think down in the comments. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. And you know I'm going to keep you updated if I find anything else. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. Now guys, let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Laura Weinberger. Laura says, hi Mandy, I would love to get the Smashbox product, Bobby Brown lipstick, etc. Well, Laura, I hope you get that stuff. I really do. I really hope everybody gets what they want. You know, I mean, that's just, it's only right. If it were me, I'd be wanting everything, but you know, that don't ever happen. But anyways, Laura, I really appreciate you coming and watching the video, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. Love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.